One day, people will ask how you became so resilient. They'll admire your confidence, your discipline, your success, and your strength. What they won't see are the nights you cried in silence, the mornings you wanted to quit, the failures that humbled you, and the battles you fought inside your own mind. They won't see the pain because pain works in private before success is revealed in public. That's why you can't quit now. The struggle you're experiencing today is producing the strength you'll depend on tomorrow. So embrace the pain. Stop resisting it. Stop complaining about it. Let it shape you instead of stopping you. Every difficult step is taking you farther away from the old version of yourself and closer to the person you were created to become. The pain will not last forever, but the person it creates can last a lifetime. Don't waste your suffering. Use it. Turn every setback into fuel. Turn every disappointment into determination. Turn every obstacle into another reason to keep moving forward. Because the day you stop fearing pain is the day nothing can stop your transformation. Every single day you wake up, there are two voices fighting for control of your life. One voice tells you to get up, to work harder, to stay disciplined, to become the person you promised yourself you would become. The other voice tells you to sleep a little longer, to quit when it gets difficult, to wait until tomorrow, to choose comfort over growth. The tragedy is not that the weaker voice exists. The tragedy is that too many people keep negotiating with it. They ask their feelings for permission before taking action. They wait until they feel motivated before they move. They make deals with their own excuses, and every deal costs them another piece of their future. Listen carefully. Your weakness does not deserve a vote. It does not deserve a conversation. It does not deserve your attention. Weakness will never tell you to chase greatness. It will never encourage you to sacrifice for your dreams. It will always lead you toward the easiest road because it knows that comfort produces average results. Every time you stop to negotiate with weakness, you give it power. Every time you entertain the thought of quitting, you make quitting easier the next time. That is how ordinary habits become permanent lifestyles. The strongest people are not those who never hear the voice of weakness. They are the ones who refuse to obey it. They understand that feelings are temporary, but discipline creates permanent results. There will be days when your body is exhausted. There will be mornings when your mind is filled with doubt. There will be seasons when nothing seems to be working. Those moments are not permission to stop. They are invitations to prove who you really are. Anybody can stay committed when life is easy. It takes a different level of character to stay committed when every... Well, good morning, boys. We're back once again, and today we're going to do something different. We're going to stay patient. We're going to wait for our A+ steps to set up and execute, and we're going to do what we do, but we're printing this morning, boys. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Good freaking morning. It's hump day, boys. Good money day. What's up, Sean? What's up, Stuart? Good morning, everybody tuning in from around the globe. What's up, Daz? Good morning. I'm excited for us to trade today because I think today we'll actually have some movement, possibly. I'm not saying for sure, but we may have some movement today, possibly. And if we do, we're going to execute and print. That's all I know. We had some news this morning at 8:30. So if you're looking at that 8:30 candle, that's why we had that big red candle right there. That was the 8:30 news there. So we're going to see what we get. We have 10 o'clock news today and 10:30 news. So we're just going to take our time, waiting for our moves, and that's it. I got nothing else to say, boys and ladies. I'm just ready to trade, put some money in some accounts. And if I could, like, hey, if I could put in one of my accounts today, one of my daily fundeds, like $1,000, I may have to take that $1,000 payout today on it. So we're going to see. But we're going to have some fun. That's all I know. Because we have another opportunity to do what we all enjoy. And that's trade. This is by far the best vehicle to use to truly get the results we want to have life, right? At least that's how I feel. Because I own businesses offline. I do all these different things to make money business-wise. And trading is by far the best vehicle. It's limitless, a location proof. I can do it literally without having to think about it. You know what I'm saying? We print, we get off the charts, we go about the rest of our day. That's called time freedom, boys. And I hope all you guys get to experience for yourself. And today is just one more building block to your freedom. So remember, don't have to rush the process. I know as a trader, some of us, I say some of us because I was that guy too at one point, we try rushing the process.
You try making it come faster than what it can sometimes. But take your time. Rome was not built in one day. Your freedom will not be won in one day. It's coming back each and every day, staying consistent. That's how we get the results. So today, let's get another positive result so we can keep on thriving. Does that sound good? How's everyone doing in the chat? If y'all ready to trade this morning, let me know. Who's excited? What's up, Double Dynamite, aka Steve? Good morning, sir. Let's get another positive result. Keep on thriving. Does that sound good? How's everyone doing in the chat? Uh-oh. Let me mute Steve. I hear the bleed through. He had the stream going too. So let me mute Steve real quick there. Daz is ready. Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Whoa. I'm not telling you go anywhere, Steve. Not... I am ready and excited. Gotta stay patient. Listen, we get paid to be patient. Wait for your A+ set, whichever that is, and then execute. No rush in the process. Just wait for it to come, and that's it. Your boy's happy. So when I went to Europe, who would have thought I put on some extra pounds, right? I put on close to 10 pounds when I went to Europe. I guess eating a pizza, I know my saying is $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. I was eating like 2 pizzas a day, almost every other day.
Two pizzas a day? Wait, back up a second. I might have misheard that. 2 pizzas a day.
2 pizzas a day brings the fat. I don't know what I was gonna say. But anyways, yes, I was eating like 2 pizzas every other day type deal. Probably not the.
You skipped it in the middle and ate pastries every other day.
Something like that. But I'm officially back down 8 pounds. I dropped 8 pounds of the weight I gained. So happy about that. I got less than 5 pounds to get under 300. So for the next 6 days, your boy's freaking dialed. I'm trying to get back below 300. So as soon as I get to Mexico, to the resort, I'm running to the park, doing the freaking zip line, and then eating after. What's up, Amon? Good morning, sir. I'm ready for Moose to come in here and make sure he got his payout yesterday.
He's out celebrating, I'm sure.
Probably. No, I'm not under 300 yet. But once I get there, then I'll celebrate, Amon. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, I'm just trying to get a 260. Listen, when I'm 265, I'm sorry, these streams may get kind of weird. Full transparency. Full transparency. I'll probably be wearing robes at that point with my shirt, my chest out slightly. Once I get a 260, I'm sorry, it's not you, it's me, boy. It's not you, it's me.
Are you gonna wear the medallion that you used to wear before you started broadcasting?
100%. I will probably wear like a robe with a chain, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be that trader. I'm sorry. Listen, it's been 8 years. Your boy gonna be brand new.
Oh no. What if we like the old one?
I'm sorry. We dropped him with the pounds. All right, we got less than 4 minutes for market open here. Let me give you where the stuff is at this morning. So our VWAP, the volume weighted average price, is sitting at 201 on the 2-minute Nasdaq futures chart. Our 21 EMA is sitting there at 163.50, 163.50 for the 21 EMA. We're currently below that as well. We do have a pivot above price right now, 239.75 for that pivot above us. For the pivot below us here, 53.75. I low-key think we're going back into the 28,000s a day, but that's just me. I could be completely off, and it is what it is if I am. The close from yesterday, 287.50, 287.50 there. So we're well below that as well. So we're going to wait to see how this market wants to act. We did have that big selling candle at 8:30. That was the morning news, the 8:30 news this morning. The next things we have on our session is 10 o'clock and 10:30. No 9:45 news. What was that, Steve?
No, you dropped 8 pounds.
I dropped 8 pounds. Maybe that's why the market dropped.
That was a dumbbell that you were warming up with.
Possibly. You never know. You never know, right? I'm just happy it's coming off. And I'm noticing my body definitely responds better to no carbs. I've always been a very carb person, and my body doesn't like carbs. It likes it, but I pack on the pounds with carbs. When I cut out my carb intake, I drop so freaking quick. Crazy.
Until those macros.
What's up, BP? Good morning, sir.
Just tell him to send a telegram because he's probably not going to come on the mainstream.
Dang, shots fired. BP, shots fired from Steve this morning. Be careful.
It comes from respect.
All right, I'm just ready for market open here. Less than a minute now for market open. We're going to see what this jive turkey market wants to do today. Are we going to have some good movement, or is it going to be chopping? We're going to see. I'm going to be as patient as possible today. But I want to see some clean moves. Clean moves today.
Are we doing the 20-second orb? Should I set up the candle?
I was honestly thinking like the 5-second orb, but if you want to do 20 seconds, we could do that too. I just want to see good momentum today. That's all I want to see. I looked at the overnight session after we got off the stream this morning. I'm like, if I would have taken that bull flag that I drew on the chart before getting off and held that all, bro, that would have been so much freaking money. Crazy. So
you could do that just for yourself and just run like a micro and just and clean up.
Yeah,
it's okay. You know, money's money. All right, here we go.
There's market open. There's market open. Ding, ding, ding. It's on and chopping. No, it's on and popping. We don't want chopping. On and popping, never chopping. All right, just went up there and tagged that VWAP.
The VWAP is in play. And you were mentioning a pivot point that wasn't on my screen, so I wanted to acknowledge that.
Yep, the pivot above us on TradingView 240, 239, 75, 240 ish.
Yeah, because I have a Camarillo pivot on 250, but I don't have a normal pivot there, so I don't know what's going on.
Okay, but that is on TradingView, so because even on NinjaTrade we got 243.42 for a pivot on TradingView, NinjaTrader. Getting ready to tag that pivot point. Are we going? All right, we just tagged it, or did we miss it by a tick? Pretty much tagged it. We're right there, tick or two off. Hey, at least we got some little action right now. You know what I'm saying? Looks like we may retrace this sell-off candle.
Let's do it. Let's make that money. I'm game. Who's green?
I haven't taken anything yet. No, not yet, folks. Waiting.
I bet Amon is green.
He's always green, bro.
Yeah, I mean, he's on it.
All right, so we did tag that pivot point, that 240. This thing looks like it's gonna possibly pop above, and who knows, keep on pushing here.
Push it.
Woo. This thing's running. This thing's running. We're getting ready to hit that gap. Close that gap from the close from yesterday as well. Wow. Oh, Nellies. All right, let's see if we possibly could get us a little bull flag up here, right?
I'd like to see a flag. Could we do that, Duane?
Hopefully. Possibly come.
I just wanted to thank you because I understand what a flag is. So you don't have to stay in a trade through the whole structure today. Just hit the main part for me.
Yeah, I got you on that.
Double Dynamite out here throwing shade.
That he is. Well,
Yeah,
we're
straight.
used to it at this point. We're used to it. Good morning, BP.
I only throw shade to like the people I respect.
Playful shade.
Yeah, always playful shade. I low-key want to take this bull flag if this is the way, but we're starting to get that selling pressure on that 5-minute candle.
Well, look towards the lower time frame. See if you can see a flag and see if there's a micro retracement.
I feel like we're going to come down at least to that pivot point. And I want to see us bounce off the pivot, keep pushing up.
Was the pivot like 240s?
Yeah, 240s. There's the pivot point in Ninja Trader.
Okay, now it's showing up on that chart. That's weird. Showing up on two charts, but not one chart.
Still showing selling pressure on that 5-minute.
This is what Moose calls a retracement.
Yeah, we just tagged the pivot on TradingView. They are not lined up, so that's why I'm looking at both screens, just watching this thing. If we start to push pretty aggressively, I may try jumping in here.
Hey BP, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Also, I can see why we pumped. Do you see why, Steve?
Oh, let me see. I haven't looked. I'm just on NQ right now, but we had that big drop at 8:30.
Okay, just snagged 100. I thought I closed at 300. Got $100 on that right there. So that kind of gets me excited because now on this one account, it's officially ready for daily payouts. That just got me over the buffer. So I'm not complaining. Your boy's not complaining now. So if I add another like $1,000, I could take $1,000 payout on this account today if I wanted to. We have news at 10, no news at 9:45 today. Back below the pivot.
It's almost back to the
205 on this one. So I just added a little bit more there. We're getting ready to tag that VWAP. Coming down to that VWAP there. 207 for the VWAP. There we go. Just tagged it. Let me rotate to the next account here. And I'm not going to trade that account. I'm over the daily payout buffer. So I'll come back tomorrow, base hit it, and keep putting money in. Take a payout on that account this week, actually. Or I may wait till when I'm in Mexico, take a payout on that thing. Since that's a 50K daily payout account with Lucid. So that would give me, I could take $8,000 a day with that account. So.
Hey, have you messed with their app, by the way? We talked about it. I
honestly haven't even downloaded it yet.
I downloaded it, but I haven't done anything with it. But I was
okay.
Curious.
Yeah, I haven't downloaded it.
I mean, because I got to put my credential in there, so I was like, okay, I'll do that later. And then I just, I figured since you were like, if you tried it, you could kind of say it first, but I can kick the tires too.
We're going to pump.
I was thinking I should have went long just because we didn't have a confirmation for shorts because I was looking for a candle closure below 215. I don't know though, because the way that the markets kind of look are a little weird.
I see that weirdness, and I'm looking at that 5-minute candle, and it's definitely in a state right now for 2.5 minutes in.
It's just because, like, if we're looking at, like, I don't know, at least the 5-minute or 15-minute, we came down and we took out, like, Tuesday mornings lows during Asia on NQ, and then we didn't do that for ES. And then
What up,
for
VP?
the
What up,
London-
Steve?
Yo.
What's up? What's up, Anthony? How you doing this morning, bro?
What's up, Anthony? Man,
Hey,
Pretty
what's
good,
up?
man. Watching this 5-minute candle. I'm listening to you, BP. I'm watching.
Oh,
the
gotcha.
5-minute
And
right
then
now.
so if you're looking at
I should have added right there.
yes.
Oh, that's so trash.
and NQ, we took out the PM session during London session on ES, but not on NQ, so that would be more bearish. So it's just kind of like weird to see like both sides, because like right now we came from basically the low end to the high end, and it would just seem like an interesting range to just kind of like chop it.
But I said it's gonna be done trading by 9:37. Come on.
Morning, guys.
Morning, Moose.
Morning, Moose.
What's going on?
How you doing this morning, bro?
Good, good.
Did that payout hit your account?
Yeah, I just had to fill out some paperwork, but
Okay.
it was good. It was like literally quick.
I
I'm
can
gonna-
tell you're excited. It's like,
Now I'm gonna work on another one.
Steve, he's just like,
That's
it's just
awesome. Good job, bud.
$6,000. It's just 6,000. That's nothing.
Hopefully another one comes soon.
there's no hope. There's just skill, mother.
Patience is more of the harder part.
Hey, my man Moose, he's like a rock. He doesn't jump. When he says he's signing off, he signs up. Oh wait, cancel that.
Cancel that. Just kidding. Just kidding.
My favorite Moose thing is like, it's like I'm done. I made 1,062, and then all of a sudden, like 10 minutes later, I hear
284.
or you hear like an expletive when the market reverses, and I'm like, boy, he's really into these charts. Or something. It's not trading. What the fuck?
I think. Listen, I'm actually gonna stay out of the market. I've been up analyzing it since like 8:30 in the morning, right? I made my zones already, and I think I'm gonna stay out of the market until it gets out of those zones that I marked up because it's been consolidating.
Yeah,
whole
that's kind
entire-
of. That's exactly what I was saying. I was thinking I'm gonna wait for at least the first 15 minutes, the 15-minute orb to at least form before I make any decisions.
Yeah,
today,
I
because
gotta
don't
wait
know
for-
if,
add-
I'm gonna wait for a breakout and a return. You know what the hell happened here, bro?
my game plan is gonna be patience because I don't like the way that it looks.
We keep stalling right where I'm looking for my push.
Dude,
Yeah,
I'm a
admit-
doctor. I'm a doctor too, man. I'm just waiting for some patience.
Why is this? Why this thing? Everything deleted?
We did, I guess, during the first 5 minutes of market, I didn't realize, but we took London high already.
Okay. I didn't even see that. Well, I don't do London. I just do the overnight high. So I didn't even mark London.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay, there you go.
He's talking to it like tenderly. You know what I mean? It's almost.
Come
like
on, baby. I've been patient with you. I've been patient with you.
You
No,
got
it's-
5 minutes.
Well, this was like looking a little crazy. Like it wasn't giving me what I was waiting for.
I closed that. I'm not liking the dance right now. So I'll protect capital and wait.
It looks
Yeah,
like it's
I marked
starting
my
to
I marked
apex.
all the 15-minute ranges now on all three contracts, but you know I can adjust it if it goes. But I'm just kind of sitting here just listening to all the good stuff going on.
This market sucks. Terrible. Marco Polo's
Anthony is so
on.
quiet. He must be on a call or in a trade.
Maybe
Yeah,
both.
I just took a short right here, and right where I was green, it popped up. So now I'm come on, baby.
I was in the middle of the 15 right now. I just tapped it.
Hey, how much of the difference is micros to minis?
It's 10. Yeah, it's a 10th.
Wait, say it again.
10.
It's the what?
It's
Yeah.
1/10. 10 micros.
So let's just say for minis, it's $10 a point or whatever it's called, right? The other one is $5.
No, it'd be $1.
That'll be $1.
Yeah, it's like,
it's a big difference.
It's
Yeah,
a 10th.
well,
Yeah,
if
it's
you-
times
if you-
10.
If you took 10 minis or 10 micros and then traded them, you're basically trading a mini with more commission.
Got it. Okay.
And there
But
is like
the-
there is a sweet spot on that because I was trading them a while.
And there it goes.
And it
Freaking
just, like,
goes. So freaking
it-
trash.
Yeah, but if you trade the micros and you're trading them a lot, then you can get swamped in commissions unless you're making bigger plays. Because I started trading like higher up on the scale, and it was like not worth it. It's like, oh, I handed back too much.
Oh, gotcha. So you got to do like, let's say, five micros to play it
Well,
like.
I think I was doing like 6 or 7 micros to kind of like hedge into like a position, and it was like in that point it was like I'm just gonna go to the mini. You know what I mean? Just for making the play and not just seeing so much of it like the taxes like.
What she
I hear what you're saying.
I heard her barking.
So it's like you're paying back the commissions.
Yeah, because the commissions run depending, like if you're, especially if you make multiple trades, it adds up. Whole number, baby.
So we did finally pop, but it was after I got stopped out on one of my funded accounts.
Nobody stops out Duane.
I did just put money in another funded account there. So green in 2 funded, red in 1 funded so far for the day. I should have just waited just a couple extra seconds and it would have been green, sadly. Hey, what's up, Roots? Range is getting ready to get completed here in less than a minute now. The low of today's range is down there at 174.50. 174.50. What's up, Versace? And I have a feeling that the high of the range will be 313.25. 313.25 for the high of the range.
Hey, hang on, let me put a long on because once you say that, you'll be like,
yeah. Market makers be watching.
It's funny. Actually, I just got tagged into a long, but I don't know if I'm fully feeling it, but we'll see.
Hey, let's go, Roots. That's awesome, bro.
Oh, yay. Let's keep going. It's just like Steve said right when he said it.
You know, like they be watching. There's the range fully completed. 316 is the high for today's range.
thank you for that, Duane.
Hey, I'm trying to give you guys free game. What
Hey,
can I say?
did you notice that? Do you know that was the only time in the last year that I was completely just like I didn't say a joke and I addressed you by your name. So, well, shizzle D-Rock.
Shizzle D. That's crazy.
No,
Well,
me and
we,
Duane go back. Nobody knows like how far we go back. It's insane.
We took
Right at the
Asia
close
and
from
we took-
yesterday. Right at the close from yesterday. I'll be holding and waiting to see what type of action we get because we may try building another bull flag up here if the market is truly trying to continue up today.
I'm looking at everything. It's just let's make it happen.
I want to get above the close from yesterday. Got some selling pressure right here. Patience, folks, patience. You got this. Take your time, wait for your moves to set up, to execute, and we keep it rolling. That's it.
It's looking better.
It's definitely moving a little bit better, thankfully, than the past couple days.
Man, Dito, they're trying to give me all these jobs right before Mexico. I'm just like, nope, 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 nope.
Reschedule.
Would
Reschedule.
you would you like to fly out to Kuwait for a 48-hour turnaround? You're like,
No.
and you're like, no, and like, okay, one word, Ecuador. You're like, stop.
You're like Ecuador.
Yeah, luckily the French Guyana job I was gonna do at a later time. It was too difficult to get there from Panama. And then now they're like, well, we're going to Guyana. You want to come on the 28th? I'm like, I'll fly on the 30th, bro. That's too risky. That's too risky. I get there, next thing you know, the job is delayed. And they're like, okay, we're going to birth on the 30th. Oh,
Yeah,
fuck
or
no.
you're like so tired. It's like, man, you seem like you're wore out. Well, I flew halfway around the damn globe twice, mother.
Yeah, I'm not missing that, bro. I didn't already pay for the upgrade to royal level. The
Let's
flights
go.
paid, the
But
hotels
do I know?
paid.
Do I just address you as King? King.
King.
Oh yeah, I like that. I like that.
Roots, bro.
Man, D-Dub, we just playing right here in this area, bro.
I know, bro.
Hey,
We're
but
just
look,
bouncing
wait,
on top.
15 seconds, and that candle's the 5 minutes over. So let's see if that's gonna be the push because Duane likes to see a textbook flag, even
Me
if
too.
it takes
That's
time.
Well, I'm in it
why I
right
got
now. I'm getting ready to kill this.
But now you're gonna show like it's like the Rocky movie where it goes back and all of a sudden it's like the next round. You start
What
kicking
size
ass.
account do you have, Dwayne?
Oh, this is a 150K account.
Oh, right.
Is somebody in a coffee shop right now?
My bad. Y'all hear what dishes in the background?
Yeah, it sounds like it's like could I get one of them? Can you fill up my coffee and give me one of them donuts? And they're like pulling out all the plates and pouring the Joe. Your neighbor stops by, Senor. I hear you using plates in your house. We don't do that around here.
We don't do that around here.
Yeah, we don't use plates, nothing.
Like I can hear the clinking of the plates. What are you, some kind of animal?
I'm hoping this long plays, but I don't think so. Yeah, I just got stopped.
This might be a good flag right here. I mean, we back into that zone. The selling pressure is looking weak.
What do you yo BP? What do you
What's up?
put your stop loss as at no more than 1,000 or less than that?
It honestly just depends on like what types of trades I'm trying to take, but I mean usually I try to
Yeah,
keep
there's
it
no
account, like, a
momentum
lot
right
longer
here.
than that. So it's usually like somewhere between like $200 to like $100.
Okay, but what?
Yeah,
doing
and then I
macros?
shoot. Yeah, but then I aim for like somewhere between 2 and 3R. So that's kind of like the return.
Okay. So you're doing micros, not minis.
Yeah,
Okay, nice.
I just feel like I blow up too fast when I trade minis.
Yeah, the accounts like you make good money, but you also lose good money.
Yeah, facts.
And basically, so when you do micros, your account is 10 times as more.
Yeah, you basically get like at like 10 times, I guess, the amount of trades depending on the risk. Because if you're risking 1,000, then that's like 2 trades. You're done.
Yeah. No, but I mean like in the sense of like,
Oh
don't
yeah.
make.
But the thing is,
Or risk.
you got to think of it like this too. Yes, it's like you could be so safe with the micros, but if you're only trading micros, then it's like, man, you talk about a long race to get there. So
Yeah,
it's
for
like,
sure.
so for me,
Oh
it's like,
yeah, but that's
I like to use the micros, like especially like in the overnight sesh, because it's like then I can make the long plays and they'll really play out, and then
Yeah.
but it's like, I think there's a tool for every job, and if you're doing the micros, I definitely like like at
Yeah,
night.
that's for like, let's say you're analyzing more like from the 5-minute candles and the 15-minute candles rather than the two and one.
Like at night I'll set the strategy and I'll leave for an hour, and that's like the kind of time that I'll have that. Like it just like it's gonna pay or it's like not gonna pay, but I think I could do that now, man. What's going on, Duane?
I'm in a trade. I've been sitting in this.
I know you've been.
I'm in the long right now. I'm trying.
So am I, but I'm getting ready to kill
What
this
did
possibly.
you draw down for 150,000? Like 4,000, right?
4,500.
Yeah.
4,500. That's not bad.
Come on, push.
We're right there too. It's playing with me.
I'm in on the long too, D-Dub. So I'm hoping it does. I hope it push. We broke back up above that zone, so I took the long.
I'm expecting a solid push, but
there we go. Come
I
on.
want to see it start moving.
There we go. There we go. I got some orange juice. I've been patient with you.
I got some orange. I've been patient with you.
You could add what Moose said. You're looking all crazy.
I'm just gonna take this $13. It's dancing too much, bro.
Yeah, this shit ain't worth it.
Yeah, it was dancing too much, bro. I was holding it, but it went green on me twice, red 3 times. So definitely took the little $13, bro.
We're gonna be coming up on 5 minutes till the news.
Oh yeah, we do have that 10 o'clock news a day.
And we are bumping right up against the whole number. So
she got a little bit more gas in the tank before I close this. Watch my Rincos. I'll take that. 485 there. Taking too long. And we got news coming out in 5 minutes, so no reason to rush. But with that, I just secured over $1,000 payout if I want to take one on this account. But we probably won't yet. We'll keep adding. And watch this thing just completely rip now that I close. I'm gonna have to close my eyes. Let's see what the chat's talking about. No more. BP does not use Renko bars to enter. And of course it popped. Oh God.
He is the Renko bars. I mean, the guy's like incredible. He's a machine.
Roots, I'm glad you feel that way, bro. That's honestly quite an honor that you said that, right? Because PW and Trades by Matt, they're both solid traders, first off. And at the end of the day, I'm not over the top like PW, and I'm not as calm as Trades by Matt. But hey, I'm glad the streams helped you turn your trading trajectory around, everything like that. I love hearing that because I love seeing you guys win at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, this is the best vehicle for us to use to secure our freedom. We just popped above the 15-minute range. Duane, it's okay. You locked in profit, Duane. It's okay. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. Be glad. You know, I'm talking to myself right now because if I would have stayed in that trade, it would have been some more smoney's. We got news at 10 anyway, so I'm waiting. No, not a 10K payout. Not a 10K payout. Hey, I wish it was a 10K payout. Woo!
Okay, 2.5 minutes, baby.
I'm waiting until after the news here to re-enter the markets. Let's see if it starts moving a little bit for us. We may try building a flag right up here at the high of this 15-minute range.
That's what we're looking at right now to see.
Yep. News in less than 2 minutes now. We got 10 o'clock news and 10:30 news today. Rude. So we go live 9:30. We're not really we're not executing trades for the hangouts, but the charts are pulled up and we'll talk about the charts, everything like that. So come live with us tonight, bro. We do the traders hangout for everyone that doesn't know every single night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. It's the time for us to connect, laugh, joke around,
Bless you, somebody.
and just vibe as traders together. What's up, Sadawat?
Oh, wait, that's just like, damn, it's a diner in there, man. It's like I'm getting hungry, like I'm ready to put my order in.
I muted him so you don't get too hungry, Steve. I muted Anthony so you're not getting hungry over there, thinking you're in a diner. My bad.
That's funny. He's like, bacon is ready.
Bacon's ready.
Blank. Here's your omelet. It's like one of those like breakfast places you go like when you're heading up the coast and you're just grabbing a quick bite.
We got news dropping in 30 seconds. 30 seconds for the news here. And of course, here's that bull flag trying to give some more money at some of y'all. But we got news getting ready to drop in less than 10 seconds. So, not touching it. Not touching it.
Touch it.
Here's the news. That looks like a delayed news. Okay. We're printing bull flags. We have 1, 2, 3. This could be number 4 for us right here.
Yeah, but let's get a poll in between each flag. Like really like pump it.
Get a good run up. Good run and start.
That's it. Like you've said, I admire anybody that can make it in this. It's like it's a fight, but I'm sick of like, you know, I'm sick of being like admirable. I just want to make some like money. Like
I think we all want to just make some money.
Well, no, but I'm just saying I don't need to have like the, you know, it's like, you know, my wife's saying the same thing, man. It's chop. It's like, yeah, you know, it's like it's admirable to trade and chop, but I'd rather be just cash out, just trading in like a great market.
No, 100%. I can't wait for September because September we should get some better movement, hopefully. If we do, best believe all of us are going to be printing even more because it'll be cleaner.
Is this a full reversal? Hey, Moose.
What's up?
You think this is gonna be a retracement down?
I think if we do, there's an EMA at the 4 hour and 29,262, which is not too far down. Then from there, that's being that it's the 4 hour, that's going to be a strong retrace, like a strong bounce back up.
Yeah.
I mean, there's other smaller EMAs, but that's the really strong one right there. We just hit a 2-minute EMA at 298. We came up for that, so let's see how this was coming back down though. I don't know. I don't like the market right now, to be honest. Like, it's not giving me something solidified.
Feel that.
Like lately, we haven't gotten like long runs with a small retrace and pushbacks. We just keep getting little bounces that eventually move the market up or down, whichever direction we're going.
But it's slow and choppy.
Yeah, it's too many bounces back and forth, very choppy.
I'm tired of the chop. Flip.
I've grown accounts like fucking like 4 times already.
Anthony King is gonna be like in the royal suite.
Anthony King.
The Royale. Presidential
Anthony King.
Royale.
Are you down with the AK?
2 AKs. I need 2.
Since he got the royal suite, he said he's renting a yacht for us when we're out there. So I'm like, let's do it, bro.
Oh yeah, like I told you last night, we're gonna be the yachts. We both
With the life jackets.
Got 2 life jackets. Just float on through, baby. Lay back, float.
Yeah, you'll be floating through the canal. He'll be like, "Are you cool?" He's like, "Trust me, it's a 16-hour trip. We're doing it."
I closed that one just to protect capital. This is an eval. I'm done trading my funding since we are slightly chopping again here. But hey, put money in my fundeds. I could take a payout today. I got one of my daily funded accounts over the buffer today as well. So I could start throwing money in there and taking payouts every single day. So that's cool. We're right in this spot where I feel like it could go short, but it could go long.
You know, thank you for pointing out all the directions it could go.
It could go sideways too. Don't play with me, Steve. It can go sideways too, real quick.
No, we're not going sideways. We're at LWS.
Let's see.
I mean, according to this RSI that I'm looking at, we're completely overbought. We're at the very top of it, above the 70. Maybe want to come back and touch the EMA on the 5-minute chart, but I'm not sure yet. I'm just chilling too. We are above the 21 EMA on the 5-minute, like far above it. So maybe we might push up here.
ES is
The way the wrinkles are looking, I feel like this is going to come back down here.
Yeah, if it's coming back down, then that matches this RSI, because the RSI is like super overbought. So
But we just bounced right there.
It needs to at least come tag the 50 on the RSI and push back up, or come tag this 21 EMA and push back up. If we break through this little zone, I'm taking a short.
I'm gonna clean this eval up here, but I'm not feeling the price action right now. It's slow.
I'm washing dishes now.
Give me my follow through.
Thank you. Give me an omelet and then some black coffee and then some of those flapjacks.
The flapjacks.
I love you. What happened? Yo? Oh, what? I didn't know I could do that. And never mind.
Yeah, no, not playing with this right now. It's too choppy. I'm sitting out for right now.
It was like 4 hours.
Let's wait for our setup. 2 setup so we can execute. And right now, if I want to take a short, I want to take it below 287.50. 287.50. Come on, I feel you. This is slightly tricky today. That's why I'm done trading my fundeds. What's up, Andre? What's up, Talks? Welcome. Yeah, this thing, like I said, we gotta get below 287.50 right now. If we could build us a little bear flag here, I would like that a lot. Because I low key, like I said, it can only go three ways: up, down, or sideways. Right now, we're not going up or down. We're kind of going sideways right now. So be careful trading the chop.
This might be a 1 hour retracement.
I'm trying out one last.
I'm in a short right now. I just jumped into a short because we broke below the level I wanted. I'm targeting the 21 EMA, which is down here at 274. I added a contract, but I did not get filled on it.
Hey, there's a EMA. There's a 1 minute 50 at 266. So careful with the bounce back on that little zone at least. You heard, Duane?
Yeah, I heard.
Oh shit! No, there is one. 270.
I'm mad. We did just tag that 21 EMA right there, but I added a contract on that one, but it didn't get filled. Since we tagged that 21, I did close out the position to wait because I'm not trying to be in and we bounce off that 21 and rocket ship. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to do that. That's bad for business. So we'll hold and wait. Right, coming back down to that 20, they're tagging that 21 once again.
You know what's weird, Duane? My price is a little different from you guys' price. Like my price is at $29,198 right now.
Yeah, that's slightly off.
Yeah, and I'm on FTMO prop firm. So right now my EMA 21 EMA is at $29,161.41.
Trading the same NQ contract.
Yeah, Nasdaq 100 index spot CDF, US 100 cash.
What is it? The September
Bounce it
one?
up, Duane. The 1 minute. Look
Huh?
at your wrinkles. Look at your wrinkles. They're bouncing off the EMA, the 50, the 266 zone. Oh, no, it ripped through. It went through. Are you still in?
Yeah.
Nice. I couldn't see the screen. What is it, 600, right? I think. I can't see. Too small on my laptop.
The funny thing is though, it's matching everything that y'all are saying. So when the pushes happen or when the EMAs get hit, I'm seeing the pauses or the rebounces and stuff like that, but the price is not the same.
All right, just close that out. Clean that account. I brought this back to 605 in the green. We'll take that. Tag that pivot point as well.
Hey, Dwayne, could Anthony be in some kind of hybrid contract? Because, like, remember when G was, like, trading the other contract? Because, I mean, it's kind of insane.
What platform? I know you said...
FTMO.
Okay. What platform are you trading on, though?
MetaTrader. Yeah, see, right now, price is at $29,177 right now. And it's dropping.
Yeah, that's off. That's weird.
Maybe he's saying 10 minutes in the future, and we can make our plays. Like, full port, gentlemen.
I don't know what's happening on my end, but, like, it's like I'm having the laggiest fills because I just got filled. And then it like filled me in at like the worst place possible, and then it popped up.
That's normally how
it hit my stop loss, and then nothing happened, and then it came back down, and then I was green, and then it says I took a full loss.
That sounds like today, because
this is not good.
Like, be careful, folks. If your stuff is looking kind of fishy, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Hey, do you think ES is looking cleaner?
There's a possible recorrelation that needs to happen because we've taken out this low inside of the 15-minute orb on NQ, but not on ES. Which I guess for myself, if I saw a candle closure above like the candlestick at 10-12, then I would be thinking maybe along, but until then I'd be thinking recorrelation play. So ES is probably going to keep pushing for like 7,688.
Do y'all think it's because I'm an hour behind y'all?
No, that shouldn't affect the
it's
price.
It's definitely going to be your platform, brother.
So it has to be MT5 or whatever you're trading on.
So my price right now is higher than y'all price or lower?
Lower.
Oh, I'm finna look for longs then for sure, because that means
but I would not. I would still be careful with that because it may have some type of delay on yours, and you don't want to get caught in that. Being honest.
Damn, motherfucker, tear it up.
Nah, y'all in the future, bro. I'm looking for the long now.
I did just add a Tradeify eval so I can keep trading with y'all today, because I'm not touching my fundeds anymore. We're done. Stopped out at minus $1,200 on one of my fundeds, green in the other fundeds, but we'll clean it up tomorrow. We're right here at the VWAP. If we get below the VWAP, I'll definitely be trying to target the low of this 15-minute range.
15 minutes strain.
Since Anthony's in the future and his price is all the way in the hundreds right now, so.
Well, see, Anthony's, you said that it's like, my man 8K said the structure's the same. It's like the calibration different.
Yeah, because whenever you say that EMA is there, I get a lot of rebounds, or you know what I mean? Like, as soon as you be like, we're hitting the EMA, it'll retrace or pop up, but it's not showing me the same EMA on mine. Like right now, I'm below.
I would just like research that to see like if you're looking at Dwayne's screen and it's like everything's lining up with you, but it's a different numbers. The time that happened was when G had the previous contract. It was like
right here in the middle of the 15-minute range as well. Do not diddle, boys. Do not diddle.
Oh, wait, no diddling.
We got the 15-minute, middle of the 15-minute range, a pivot point right here at 240. And the VWAP right below us here sitting at 230.50. So a couple things I want to see us get through here. Hopefully we're able to. Yeah, I want to trade this account more, but oh, locking the profit. That's a
Lock in the profit. Like you remember when Apostle Paul was in prison.
looks like we're gonna run back to the 21 EMA sitting at 266.25. Let's see if we tag that and reject off to take us lower. Like we're close to the middle of the 15-minute range, so this is an area where honestly don't be trying to take trades yet. Hey, let's go, Andre. Get it, bro. Let's see if we flush here. This could be a nice little bear flag, but I want to get below the middle of 15 and that pivot.
I want to get past the chop.
I think we all want to get past the chop, sir.
I have lost my massage gun.
Did you say something about
Moose, just so you know, like you come off very like you're angry a lot, like an old angry man some days. Hey, where's my freaking massage gun? I knew I had it somewhere. Where's it at?
Where's my Glock, man? Where's my Glock massage gun?
Yo,
Model 19, motherfucker.
I always like I obviously forget where I leave things, right? But I'm like, didn't I leave it here? And then I forget, and then I get mad. And that's exactly why I sound mad.
It's like having a pencil in your ear. You're like, where's that pencil? It's just following you. It's just walking around the house with you.
The other day, I was looking for my phone, and I was like, where the hell is my phone? And I kept looking. I swear to God, I looked at it for 5 minutes, and I kept having it in my hand. I had 3 text messages.
That's crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
That's crazy.
Now that's like that's let's step back a little bit and give this man some room.
That's a bad problem.
Said Moose, put on your helmet, buddy.
Put on your helmet.
Just stay calm. Put on your helmet.
Took a quick little trade right there. Let me get some music.
And my wife will say that to me. She's like, "Have you seen my phone?" It's like, I'm not like keeping up with your phone. It's like.
If we break below the VWAP, all right, we just broke below the VWAP.
Speak quickly, Duane.
I can't. It's happening too quick.
You would like to have it break through?
Yeah, I was going to say I'll be looking for a short.
I'd like to see like a flag and then like some serious follow through.
Stars falling through the silence, like spirits made of glow.
All right, come on.
See what I mean? I found it. I thought I had it in a closet. It was in my garage.
Oh, yep. That happens sometimes. Oh.
Slightly off, not too much.
For everyone on the YouTube streams, hopefully you're printing money with us this morning. Stay safe in these markets. Wait for your A+ setups to set up to execute. And that's all we're doing here, folks. Hopefully you're enjoying the commentary from the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society, because we always have fun on these morning streams. Are we going to get us a little bear flag and take us lower? I do not want to get back above that VWAP, personally. VWAP sitting at 231. 231 for the VWAP. Market makers out here balling LW. They trying, bro. They doing their thing. They getting payouts. Listen. Proud of all my market makers. They're winning. Because the one thing about being a market maker, what it gives you, it legit gives you accountability with your trading, because you're talking with myself and other members of the market makers on these morning streams. So it keeps you like more disciplined. And I know YouTube, you should be disciplined as well, but it's different when you're hearing something like instead of reading something. So when someone's like, oh, I'm thinking this, and I wouldn't do that. It's like, it makes you hesitate for a second and double check your work, which is good. That's why they're getting the results they're getting. I feel like we're going to go down to the low of this 15-minute range. But I want to see a bear flag form. And for my market, I'm thinking about running ads for Legacy starting in September. I'm gonna put up like $1,500, $2,000 for ads each month. Do you guys think that would get a lot of traction for the community?
Absolutely.
I think so.
Jeez.
Because I've been seeing like people in the chat how this has changed their life, their trading, everything like that. Moose getting payouts, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, if y'all are winning, other people want to win too. You know what I'm saying? They just don't know we're here yet.
Yeah, it's true. Exposure is important.
Mm-hmm. So I'll probably run some Facebook ads for the community, get people in on the free side, and get them connected.
We're back into the top zone area. I don't know if you guys said that before, but just FYI. When nothing pulls me either way. Yeah, that was a nice drop though.
Yeah, just add another $200 right there. We get that sometimes already, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not concerned about that. So I'm glad it's helped you, bro. Just trying to make sure you guys are winning. That's it. Like I said, I felt like we were going to come down, target this low of the 15-minute range. That's where we're currently sitting at. Are we going to break out to the low side now? Because we're literally, we would have retraced almost fully. Huh?
What up, dog?
Yeah, what up, dog? Oh, we got news in 3 minutes as well. Oh, I should have waited. We just cleared that 8:30 candle.
You said there's news in 2 minutes?
Yeah, 10:30 news. Wow, what a retracement, we'll say. We went up, we came down. Now we gotta see if we're going to be all around.
I bet that FGP just rode that whole thing down, made them like 600.
Possibly.
man. I had an entry, but it didn't tag me, and I just decided to chill.
I don't know if that's Moose's dog or Moose barking right now, or if that's Ant.
My dog is answering back.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's a mix. It's a mix here.
I thought that was coming from you. It's coming from Anthony.
Yeah, it's coming from Anthony. But then
My
dog
bad.
barked too.
We just broke out the low of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we could build us a little bear flag here and take us lower. We got news in less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes. And this thing's just falling here. Let's recorrelate. Let's pop up to the low of that 15-minute range. That'll give me the warm and fuzzies on the inside here. All right, we just recorrelated to the low of the 15-minute range. So now if we expand lower, we should continue expanding down.
And the ES hasn't broke out to the bottom of the 15. Have you noticed that, DP?
Yeah, it hadn't taken the bottom of the 15 yet. I did see that. I also never got that long confirmation. It's just been short since then. Recorrelated all the lows that NQ had taken. The only low that it hasn't recorrelated.
But we haven't taken out the overnight low yet. We have not taken that overnight low yet. So.
Oh yeah, I was just talking about the correlations between NQ and ES and what hasn't taken yet. So basically, just up until the 15-minute low.
Seconds.
Yeah, 15 seconds for the news. 10:30 news here. Hold your clicks. Wait for the news to come out. Do not trade the news. Let's see what the market does when this news drops here. I feel like we may build some structure to take us lower here, like nice little bear flag. But let's see what we get. So that's the 10:30. It didn't really do anything.
Boy, that was amazing.
Like, man, that was pretty wild there, boys. I want to see if we're going to get a bear play here. I want to see the bear step in aggressively and force this thing down.
Looking at NQ on the MACD that I got, that on the aggressive setting, it's kind of looking like it might reverse.
Okay. Anything's possible. Anything's possible here.
I'm just saying, you know, it just the MACD is very like sensitive, and it's like pushing up right now, like big time.
If we get below this 15-minute range, I'm taking a short. If we get below the low of this 15-minute range, I'll be taking a short. 174.25 is the low of the 15-minute range.
I would just say, as well as we have a little bit of bullish manipulation at the bottom of the range. So with the shorts, just make sure that we can clear out. I think it's 156 low, but the start of it is at 177.
Good copy, Cap. I'm just looking at this potential bear flag here, trying to form. So if the bear step in aggressively to try flushing this,
It's a big if.
I'm gonna be in there in the flush. I'm gonna go with it. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now, but I want the Bears to have that continuation here.
Have we seen any aggressive plays in the last, other than a Trump tweet the other day?
Nope. Nope. It's been slow and choppy, making us become better traders, right? Because if we're able to trade these markets when the market conditions get better, hopefully in September, right? You guys are going to be printing left and right. That's all I know. Because I've seen a lot of traders, big traders on social media talking about how bad their performance has been this month because the markets have been so choppy. It's either we're going to build some really good structure here for a bear flag, or this thing may want to try pumping a little bit. Who knows? Just patiently waiting. Not rushing this because you know the market has a mind of its own.
It's doing its thing.
Yep, slow and steady.
The moving average convergent divergence is kind of topping off right now, so we'll see. But I'm charting it on ES right now.
Okay. We're not getting any momentum right now. So no momentum, no trade for me.
No trade for you.
But this could, who knows? This could try doing a textbook bear flag. This would be an A++ flag, by the way, if this is a bear flag. I'm just not trying to be in the structure phase of the flag itself.
I used to turn from every feeling that I could not understand. Now I let the moment meet me without
Come on.
asking where I stand. Learn the shape of silence, learn the places I would close. Every time I try.
We're approaching that 5-minute confirmation, so we'll see what happens.
I just got caught. I got caught slipping, boys.
He got caught dancing.
See, that high is at like 210, I think.
You took a buy?
I took a sell. I thought we were going to flush.
I think we're gonna hit the VWAP again. I think we're coming up to the VWAP.
The VWAPper.
Yeah. It's coming! It's coming! Oh, you mother flower, why'd you stop?
Let's wait. Let's see if we reject. If not, I'll close out.
Let's go. Push! Oh, oh shit, what'd I do? Oh, I didn't know I could do that.
I love the internal dialogue that Moose is having. It's like a whole conversation.
No.
He does
Because
keep
I'm
it
on my
interesting, right? We can see inside of his mind when he's on these streams.
Oh shit! What am I doing?
Oh no! What are you
you know-
doing, Steve?
You know, it's not bad to talk to you, but it's really bad when you answer yourself. That's when you know it's really bad.
I have a feeling you answer yourself some days, though.
A little bit more than others.
Yeah, with Moose, it's all on the table because he's a real deal, man. The guy's an icon.
No, I'm more like off. I forget shit, and then I'm like, why did you do that?
He's putting his massage gun in the gun safe. He's like, it's a mess over there.
Not putting it in the gun safe. That's wild.
Guys, I gotta get out of here.
Hey, take it easy.
Have a good one, Mooser.
All right,
Guys,
Moose.
have a good day.
Good day, man.
You guys.
I closed out. I feel like we will come back down, but not willing to risk it. Not willing to risk it. Because we do not have momentum right now. We're sitting right below the 21 EMA and the VWAP. Right below the 21 EMA and the VWAP. If we could break above the 21 and the VWAP, that may be a nice long. Just broke above both.
The 5 minute is looking like a nice bear flag for sure.
Somebody needs to smack ES up the side of the head because it's supposed to be the stronger asset for longs.
Well, it's not pushing?
No, it's not. Yeah, NQ's giving the reverse reaction. It's just funny. And NQ is supposed to be stronger for shorts, which was valid, and then ES didn't take all the lows because it wasn't the stronger asset for shorts, but then it was supposed to be the stronger asset for longs, and it's not delivering the same way.
Well, so that's the problem with the market. It never listens.
Yeah, I guess so.
Before a meaning could be found. I used to search for perfect language, for a way to make it clear.
We have a pivot point at like 243, right?
Yeah, on Ninja Trader pivots at 243. On TradingView is 240. So in the ballpark of each other.
Something passes through the silence, soft, invisible, and true. Stop trying to define it.
Oh, come on, September.
And the less I try to hold it, the more
Choppy, choppy, choppy.
stay close.
Sitting right above the VWAP here. I don't trust it. I don't trust none of these markets right now.
The soul has its own language. It doesn't need a name. It moves through what is unspoken, and nothing stays the same. The soul has its own language.
Yeah, there's like no momentum right now. Where's Uncle Trump with a tweet? We need a Trump tweet. Move these markets.
Yes.
Pause can carry meaning. A touch can hold a truth. A silence shared between us can say what words cannot do. I hear it in the stillness. I feel it when I let go. Something older than the speaking already seems to know. No words still known. No words still shown. Feel it, let it through. What is real will speak to you. The soul has its own language. It doesn't need a name. It moves through what is unspoken, and nothing stays the same. The soul has its own language, quiet, deep, and true. When I stop trying to explain it, I begin to understand you. Stay close, stay still. Let the silence say what it will. No words, no need. What is deepest knows how to speak.
It was like watching a soccer game.
Hey, soccer's fun to watch. The commercials.
And you know, people say I'm racist when I say that, so I'm gonna acknowledge diversity. I'm gonna acknowledge diversity. Okay, here we go. We're gonna slam on some white people, so I'm like an equal opportunity destroyer. Hockey, same shit. It's like if you can walk out of a thing and do something else for 25, 30 minutes, come back and the score is the same, then what is going on?
A whole lot of nothing.
Exactly. So there, that's like diverse, Steve. It's a new model. How do you like it?
Whoever works. Give me my flush. Been waiting for this for a minute.
Waiting for it for a decade.
He's been patient.
I've been patient with you, baby. I've been patient with you, baby.
I've been patient with you.
Heart going down. Smoke in the air. Light on the skin.
Come on.
I close my eyes. I'm falling in.
We're gonna clear some wicks.
Are we tapping the VWAP now? Is that VWAP tap right there?
No, we're below VWAP. Whatever. I close out. This thing's just bouncing, everything like that. And that could be a potential bull flag there as well. So that's why I jumped out. There's the VWAP tab once again. There's the VWAP tab. Yeah, I'm done executing trades. This thing's just choppiness once again. So oh, you're in long. Get it, bro, if you can. I'm not touching this anymore. It doesn't have enough follow through for my liking.
Yeah, I'm in on the long right now, and every time I try to set a stop loss, it's like that motherfucker's coming red. Like, come on, let me get a stop.
How you doing?
Let me get a stop in there, bro. Come on.
I'm looking at that 5-minute candle and it's just like, it's crazy. A shooting star. It's like, hello. It's like, can the wicks be like Till we get anything going.
Yeah, it looks like a block for the last 3-5 minutes.
Bro, we haven't seen one like good candle since the open, bro. To be honest.
Sadly,
Whoop.
sadly.
I mean, on the ES, like, if I look at it, I can almost see like a black flag band logo in the candles. It's insane. Like, let's get something going.
I just want to see some good follow through on any move. I don't care if it's long, short. I just want to see good follow through.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. Give us a candle, bro. There's one candle. That's it. You can do it, bro. You can do it. I believe in you.
Well, for the transparency, there we go for the day. Got stopped down one funded account, put money in this eval, and the rest are funded.
Oh, yeah. What about all those ones you didn't trade? Let's get on them, Jack.
Listen, the market's not moving fast enough to rotate through quick enough. Like, that's the one thing. When the markets are slow, you can't rotate through all your accounts. But I didn't even like connect my take profit trader account today because I'm like, it's not even moving. So I can rotate through Tradeify, Lucid, take profit trader. Oh, well.
I mean, I'm also really confused about my metrics here. It says profit target 1,000, right? And it says I need $27.50. I'm not sure if it's saying I need that to pass or if I'm only at $27.50 is weird.
Well, what's your balance?
Yeah.
Balance is 1 second. Let me scroll up. Where you at? Oh damn! Yeah, I dropped down, bro. I was at $10,324, and now I'm at $10,027.50. So now it makes sense. So I'm at $27.50, and I need to get this up to 1,000. Mother flipper.
Right at this pivot point, I'm done even executing anything. This thing is sideways. Yeah, at least I get to work out today. I'm excited for that. Try getting off another pound a day. A pound a day off keeps the fat away.
Yeah, next year I'll be anorexic.
Well, my goal is before my birthday in November, I want to be like 280, 285 by November. So plenty of time to do so.
You can do it.
Because that made me like, yeah, we did that. You know what I'm saying? We did that thing. And I'm looking at going to Zanzibar for my birthday this year. We were going to do Mexico, but I'm like, you know what? Let's maybe go somewhere else. So looking at going to Zanzibar.
Where's Zanzibar?
Africa. Going to the motherland.
Oh yeah, the mother country. I'm sorry. That's right. I do have a pennant of that.
No, I found this amazing villa on the water in Zanzibar. Ooh, I need that. Comes with a full-time butler, maid, driver. Like we may have to do it. But the only thing that has me slightly hesitant is they got mosquito nets on all the beds. I'm not sure, boys.
Well, the mosquito nets on the beds are good, but what do you do when you have to not be in bed? That's the real question.
You're still long, Max? Good job, bro. Zanzibar has crazy... No, I saw them, bro. The water looks amazing. I've seen some amazing water, but Zanzibar's water looks like even crazier.
Hey, Steve. I just want to say that we both called out this crazy reversal, and good job.
Yep. Thank you.
Did you take it?
I did take some.
Okay.
I set my
I,
order, but it didn't fill.
Order not filled.
It happens. It happens like that sometimes.
Yeah, because I was a little too late. By the time I saw it spiking up, I kind of like set my order here at 177.50, and it didn't come back.
No name for the connection. No reason to explain. Just bodies finding balance.
I want to work on personally how to sit in certain trades longer. By me dropping size, I have been looking at myself like in trades for like 4 minutes, 2 minutes, way longer than before. But now I want to get where I can stay in a trade for like an hour with it just printing. That'd be cool.
I mean, you know, it's the best way that I did that is to do the overnight session, which I know you say you're not a fan of, but if you see like a play and you're on your thing and you're on the hangout, just set it, forget it.
Yeah.
Because I mean,
Yeah, like a micro. A
Yeah,
micro, right?
because many times I'll have a trade going and I'll just go to sleep and check it in the morning.
I mean, I'm thinking the same thing, Steve, because when I look at all these other higher time frames, everything is pushing to the upside. But if I risk, these high volume trades right now, then I can't sit in it. So you're right. If I would have dropped down to a micro and just took like a 0.2, 0.3 and just let it ride,
Yeah.
I'll just be holding it right now. Because even when I look at the weekly, the daily, I mean, everything is pointing in the up direction. But to like D-Dub is thinking, if we're going in on high volume, you want to rob the bank and get out. No pun intended, YouTube. It's just a metaphor. Just saying. You want to take the cash and get out real quick. Because if you try to hold that, then you wake up in the morning and your shit negative 1.6.
It's definitely, the way I see it, it's like definitely different tools for the job. Like, I mean, like I've learned a lot from, Duane's brother that's, is on the broadcast a lot. He, Duane talked about his thing, so that's why I kind of researched it just to see. And then I kind of adapted my own rules there, but sometimes it's it's like you're not looking for the momentum, so it's not as stressful, it's not there. And then it's like I'm not afraid to jump to another contract, so that's like another thing. So like I'm not loyal to NQ after hours because ES sometimes it looks like it's just heading a direction. So that's kind of where I'm, where I kind of take my stuff. I'll look at the different contracts, see what I like, and kind of follow it for a little while, check it a couple of times, and then manually enter with an ATM, and boom.
Have a good one, Stuart. Yeah, there's different ways of winning these markets, and you gotta find what works best for you. That's it.
D-Rock, try it. Do it after like the trade, because you're already on. You have the chart. You just set that trade with an ATM and go.
Yeah. We may dabble.
Yeah, I noticed too. That's more like a practice time for D-Dub. D-Dub's talking to us, but he's like practicing that strategy for the following morning. I'll be seeing the yellow lines on there. He's like, yep, would have made 17 million right here with this yellow line right here. So,
and that's what has me right now, because yesterday on last night's hangout, I drew a bull flag. And I looked at it this morning. If I would have taken that trade, it would have been easily. Let me see how many points that was actually.
Duane is going to the ruler, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I'm done trading right now, so we're good. I'll look at this on Trading View.
I actually have a trade going now. That's just a micro trade, just seeing.
He's chilling in some longs.
Oh yeah, ES long. I came in You know, after I saw that initial push after the VWAPper,
So that would have been 120 points, 122 points off the bull flag last night. That's kind of crazy.
And let's just say, with the type of contracts you take, how much money would that have been?
Well, you're not gonna do two contracts on that. You could stay that, but that's
Yeah, no, it would have been like a one contract type deal. But you gotta think, with one contract, that's $5 every tick. There's 4 ticks at a point.
Mm-hmm.
So 122.5 times 20, spend $2,400 off that flag for one contract. But that took an hour and 52 minutes to fully play out.
I'll say a watch, if you just walk away and let it go. I mean, that's what the beauty of the ATM is like knowing, okay, I'm risking this much. You know what I mean? It's just like, but the momentum, like I say, there's been times that I'm red here and I'll go after hours and at least clean it up. So
yeah. Well, what I may do, I may get an eval and try just setting an ATM up and walking away.
Yeah, obviously use all the tools that you have. So, but yeah, if it's on and it's rocking.
Let's go, Eddie. Eddie lost 1K yesterday, chasing the markets, never chased, but traded last night, made 2K. So he's up 1K. Let's go. Hey, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, fam. Remember that. Eddie, you feel like the strategy's working for you, bro? Before I jump on out of here. Because it's already 11, boys. Crazy. I got to go drink my protein shake, eat my banana, get mentally prepared to torture my body for an hour. $2,300 out of 3K on my first EVA off your strategy. You're welcome, I guess. I don't know. You're the one clicking the button, so. Hey, let's go. Let's go. As long as it's working for y'all, we'll take it. Let's go, Tib. That's awesome. Well, folks, tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we do this thing where we have a traders hangout where we're talking trading, talking life, everything in between. So make sure you come back to vibe up with us tonight. I'm going to be jumping out of here because these markets aren't interesting in me anymore. So take your money and run. Stay safe in these markets. And remember, A+ setups, let them set up, then execute. No A+ setup, no execution. It's that simple. Have a good day, boys. Enjoy the rest of your day. If I don't see you tonight on the hangout, I will catch y'all later.
Take care, Dwayne. Peace out, Anthony and Steve.
Yes.
Have a good day, Legacy.
Adios, my bro.